Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. iOS 15.5 is out now officially by Apple. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15.5 in iPhone 6, iPhone 6s to iPhone 13 if it's not showing in software update, and download and install it grayed out. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we are going to remove the beta profile if we install any. For that, first we have to go to settings, then we have to tap on device, VPN and device management. Here we have to find and tap on iOS 15 beta software profile and tap remove profile. Now put iPhone passcode and tap remove. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise tap on not now. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solution to fix this issue. The second thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap battery and disable low power mode. Then go back to settings and general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and also we have to check the list. If there is iOS 15.5 profile is downloaded, we have to delete the file and try to re-download. The next thing that we have to do, we have to turn off mobile or cellular data and connect to Wi-Fi to get iOS 15.5. After doing these easy and simple steps, we are going to check the iOS 15.5 update. Settings, Journal, Software Update. Here we go. iOS 15.5 holding 487.2 MB is ready to download and install in your iPhone. Tap download and install to get the new software update by Apple iOS 15.5. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.